Isn't it weird that a simple banking app with a bright coral card has totally shaken up an industry that's been doing things the same way for centuries? We're talking about Monzo and the battle of public sentiment against the legacy banks. It's not just a competition, it's a reflection of how our values around money and convenience have changed. For a long time, banking felt like a necessary evil: stuffy branches, hidden fees, and apps that seemed stuck in the early 2000s. The feeling was generally one of low-grade frustration and resignation. You just accepted it because that's what a real bank was. The Monzo momentum: public sentiment loves simplicity. Enter Monzo, and the public sentiment shifts from resignation to excitement. It's the ultimate digital disruptor. The overwhelming trend is clear: customer satisfaction favors the challenger banks. Recent independent surveys consistently rank Monzo at the very top for overall service quality in the UK. Why? It comes down to three things the public loves: transparency, real-time spending notifications, categorized spending, and transparent fee structures. There are no hidden charges waiting to ambush you at the end of the month. People feel more in control of their money. User experience, UX: the app is sleek, intuitive, and built for a mobile-first generation. Features like instant peer-to-peer payments and budgeting tools are integrated seamlessly. This isn't a feature, it's a feeling of ease and convenience. Customer service: forget waiting on hold for an hour. Monzo's 24/7 in-app chat support has set a new expectation for quick problem solving. It's personalized and fast. This customer love is the key to their growth, with a huge portion of new users coming from word-of-mouth recommendations. They've surpassed 13 million customers, and a significant number are starting to use Monzo as their main account. The legacy comeback: a battle of trust and stability. So, is it over for the big players like HSBC and Barclays? Absolutely not. The public sentiment isn't a simple either/or choice. While Monzo wins on daily convenience, legacy banks still dominate a critical area: trust and stability. For big financial decisions, like mortgages, high-value savings, or complex loans, many consumers, especially older demographics, default to the long-established banks. They still view the physical branch network, even if they rarely use it, as a symbol of security and reliability. In a fascinating countertrend, even some younger users, when facing economic uncertainty, are finding comfort in the stability of those traditional names. They see a long-established brand as a safe harbor. The future trend: adaptation, not annihilation. The ultimate trend isn't one bank winning, but legacy banks being forced to adapt. We're now seeing the high street giants rapidly improving their own mobile apps, streamlining their digital services, and even launching their own digital-only sub-brands to compete on UX. They're borrowing the best ideas from Monzo and injecting them into their massive, trusted operations. The banking world is splitting. You have the challengers, like Monzo, winning on convenience and daily interaction, and the incumbents competing by wrapping their deep-seated trust and comprehensive financial products in a newly updated digital wrapper. It means better banking for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.